Welcome back, everyone. How you guys doing today? So we are making this fine floral fabric, and it's a pencil gown that we're using it to achieve. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also give it a thumbs up, and also comment on the comment section. I will see your comment and I will reply you. Please stay tuned. Let's get started now. So now I will go ahead now to fold my fabric like this. So this I'm going to fold it. What we are working on is the front piece first. So let me fold it. Now we'll start with our measurements. So this I'm folding it now. And after that, I will cut out the side that we need for the front. And after cutting out the front piece, then we'll start with our measurement proper. So let me cut this part of it now, like the front part that we need, so that we'll start with our measurements. Now I've cut out the one that we need now, so that is the front piece. So I'll go ahead now to subtract the upper part by 15 inches and to get our full length 55 inches. So that is it. So now I'll go ahead now to take my waist measurement, starting from this side. This is the upper side for the waist. My waist is 28 divided by 4. That will give us 7 inches. So that is my 7 inches, adding my sewing allowance, 2 inches. So then folded my fabric now. So I will go ahead now to start with my length measurement, and it will also have a band on it. So the band and the half length are counting all together by 18 inches. The half length is 15, while the band is 3 inches. So everything there is 18 inches, and then we'll get our length. So my length that I have here is 58 inches. So that's my 58 inches when removing the band and the half length. So then we'll start with our measurement proper now. So the waist is 28 divided by 4. It will give us 7 inches, and adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So then we'll take our length now, that is the hip length. So my hip length that I'm having here now, marking 8 inches for the hip length, and then we'll mark our hip. Our hip is 42 inches. So 42 inches is 10.5 inches. So that's my 10.5 inches, adding 1 inch on it. So I remember it's a pencil scale, so I will make it to be pencil. So I will subtract from my hip. 42 inches is the hip. So the subtract that I will subtract here now, I'll take up to 36 inches. So it's 36 inches that I will mark to shape our hemline side, so that it will make it to a pencil. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to connect from the waist to my hip. So I'll connect it like this, from the waist to the hip. So I will not use this ruler again because it will not be enough to the length here. So I will using my tape like this to mark it down. So this I'm going to mark and connect it to the hemline length like this. So this is it. So that is it. So before then, anyway, let me just add like 1 inch for the down part. So I will connect it again. So we'll take it like this from the hip again. Is where I'm connecting. Connect it like this to the hemline like this. So that is it. Folded my fabric. I'll go ahead now to take my length. And before then, my length for the half length is 15 inches, and we have a band on it. So everything should be 18 inches. So it's 18 inches that I will now subtract from my tape. to get my length. So this is it. So my length that I'm having here now is 58 inches. So after that, I will mark from my upper part, that is the waist, to get my hip length. My hip length is 8 inches. So we'll start with our waist measurement now. So my waist measurement here is 28 divided by 2. It will give us 7 inches on the tape, and add 2 inches for the sewing allowance. And coming to the hip, my hip is 40 inches, and then I will mark 40 divided by 4 to give us 10 inches on the tape, adding the sewing allowance 1.5 inches. So that's my 1.5 inches there. So then to shape it down here now to the arm half hem line, so I will be shaping it by 9 inches. So that means we are shaping it by 36 inches. So I will just add 1 inch on it. So then we are done with the measurement. So it's to connect it. So I will connect from the waist to my hip, the waist to my hip like this. So after that, I will not be able to use this ruler again. So I want to use my tape because it's long. From the hip now, I will place my tape like this to the hemline that we have here. So I will just use my tape now to use as my ruler, and then connect it the way you can see me doing like this. So I've done that. So our pencil skirt is pencil gown is coming up now. So then I'll go ahead now to cut. So I will start from the blank part like this and to cut. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can see and learn and watch. Please do that. It's very, very important. So you can see I'm cutting it now. It's a pencil skirt, remember? So we've cut it out now. So you can see how it is now. It's coming out the shape. So my back is using the front to lay on it like this, and then adding my zipper allowance on it. So that is what I'm doing here now. So let me place it well. So this is how you arrange it. Arrange it well so that it will be equal, because if it's not equal, it will not be good. The measurement will not be correct. It will not be correct. So that is what I'm trying to fold now. So that is it. So it's okay now. So just what we want now is to have our zipper allowance. So that is my zipper allowance, 1.5 inch. That's what I added for the zipper allowance, 1.5 inches, and then I will cut it out. So the front and the back piece is cut out now. So next step now is to cut the upper part now, that is the half length. So now I've folded my fabric and I have a straight line like this. So on that line, that's where we start with our length. So this is my length. My length here is 15 inches. Let me take it up a bit. 40.5 inches. 40.5 inches. That is what I need. So bringing it by 3 inches for the neckline, and the front neckline is V-neck. I'm going by 7.5 inches, and then I will roll it like this. So then after that, the back neckline, I will bring it by 1.5 inches, the round neck for the back neck. So I will go and curve it like this for the neck. Then our shoulder is 16 inches. We'll divide it by 2. That will give us 8 inches on our tape. So that is my 8 inches. And then I'll have a straight line using my ruler to connect it like this. Then from my shoulder to my chest line, I will also go ahead to marking 8 inches like this. From my shoulder to my chest line, 8 inches. So on that line, that's where we get our bust measurement. So I'll place my tape. My bust is 36 inches divided by 4. That will give us 9 inches. Adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So coming to the waist, my waist is 28. That is 7 inches. Adding 2 inches on it, like this, for the sewing allowance. And then for the armhole curve, I'll go ahead now to place my armhole on that line for the chest line. 2 inches what I'm marking, and then using my curve ruler to curve it like this. So I've done that. So now for my shoulder slope, I will go ahead and mark ½ inch to slope my shoulder, and then curve it and like to slope it. So you can see, very easy, we have done that. So also for the down part of it, remember that mark 1 inch to curve it. You can use a ruler, you can use your arm to curve it. So that is it. We've done that. So the next step is just to cut it out. Remember, is 1 inch that we added on our zipper side, 1 inch. So I will cut. I'm cutting, starting from the back. So that is it. So this is how to go about it. So please, okay, this is the line. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. And so we've done that now. Please let me connect my marks together. So that is it. So this is the line that follow now. I'm cutting. So if you are not subscribed, please do that. Subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So as you can see, this is the front side. So as for the neckline for the front, so this I'm going to cut it. It's a V-neck line. So I'm cutting it to get our V-neck. So I've done that now. So this is it. So let me take it out inside the front and open the zipper part for the back. So that my zipper part for the back. So this is the back. So let me show you the front neckline, the V neckline. So this is it. This is our V neckline, neckline. You can see how it is. So I've cut it out now. For my front piece, we have a opening at the front. So I will go ahead now to mark where I want it to stop. So I'll be marking 17 inches. So I'm marking from the down part to the upper part, 17 inches, and then using my scissors to open it. So this are the style will be. It will have an opening at the front. So that is it. So this is the opening. So now is to cut my band now. So I will be folding it like this. For the band, it will be like this. So what, let me measure it to see what I have there. So yes, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. So let me trim this place a bit. It's more than the 2.5 inches. So this is the one that we use for the band now. So let me go and fit it at the front side and also the back side of our top, like the upper side. My band is fixed. So this is my band now. So I will now fix it with the down part to complete the length, like for the front. You can see the shape now, but what I will do now, I will shift it down a bit so that I'll go ahead now to mark my bust. My bust is 36 inches. So these are 36 inches. So 1 to 3 that remain. So that means from this side is 1.5 inches. Coming to this side, 1.5 inches. Yes, that is it. 1.5 inches. So I will go ahead to mark the waist. The waist is 28 inches. So we'll count the one that remains. So it remains 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 inches this side, 2 inches the other way. So that is it. So let me shift it a bit. So this is our hip line. So the hip is 40 inches. These are 40. So 1, 2, 3. So 1.5 inches on this side of it. Coming to this side, 1.5 inches also. Then we'll mark. So let me connect the upper side to the hip length. So bring it down again. So connect from the bust to our waist, from this side of the bust to our waist. So from our waist now to the hip. I hope you are seeing it. From our waist, from this side to the hip. So that is it now. So let me take it up for you to see how I'm going to shape the down part of it now. Remember, it's a pencil gown that we are making that have a slit at the front. So that is it now. So 36. So these are 36 ones. Remain there. 1, 2, 3. So this side of it should be 1.5 inches. This side 1.5 inches. Then using my tape to take it because of the length. So I'll place it like this and mark like this. So done that. So coming to this other side, I'll also use the tape to place on the hip side and then mark. So this is the hip, mark it like this. So we've done that now. So we'll take it to the machine now to go and run the stitch now. So I've gone to join the body part together now. As you can see, this is how it is now. So let me just take it down a bit so that you can see the upper side. So can you see how it is now? So the next step now is, I want to shape the down part, because that is what we are copying. So I'll fold it like this. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So I'm folding it like this now, and then using my scissors to just open it as if I'm covering it a little like this. Take it up a bit. You can see what I'm doing here. So let me mark what I'm cutting, the place that I place it. So 10 inches. So I'm starting from that 10 inches to cut it like this. Cut it like this. Just a bit like this. So this is the side of the two sides. So by the time we open it now, so this is how it will be. So this is how it will be, because that is how the style is that we are copying. So it will be very pencil at the down and as we opening like this. So have you seen it now? So this is how the style we are copying is. Our gown is ready, as you can see. Very lovely. So you can see the way it came out. And if you don't understand how we did it, please watch it again